Hi everyone. In this lesson, I would like to discuss about the significant figures. So the significant figures will have these three characteristics. Let's go through one by one. The first one, significant figure is counted from left to right and started with the non-zero number. Second characteristic, all the zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. Third, all the zeros at the right of the last non-zero digit, if after decimal point, are significant. If before the decimal point, are insignificant. Depends on the questions. So I will give you the example to explain this characteristic one by one. Okay, look at the 6 number here. The first one, 702. So this we can say this is 3 significant figures. We counted from left to right, and all the zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. All the zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. So this zero we consider as significant figure. So 1 significant figure, 2 significant figure, and 3 significant figure. How about 0.5? Okay, from left to right, start with the non-zero digit. So this 0 is considered insignificant. So only 1 significant figure here. How about third one? 0.0502. Look at this number. Okay, we start from 5. 1 significant figure, 2 significant, and 3 significant figure. So this is 3 significant figure. How about this one? Only 4. So very simple. Only 1 significant figure. How about 4.00? Let's look at the characteristic 3. All the zero at the right of the last non-zero digit, if after the decimal point, are considered significant. So these 2 zeros we are considered they are significant. So 4.00 is actually 3 significant figure. So how about 400? Look at this. All the zero at the right of the last non-zero digit, if before the decimal point, are insignificant. Depends on question. So if 400, we can say that it is 1 significant figure. In some condition, we also can say that it is 2 significant figure or 3 significant figure. So I will give you the example to explain the 400 here. In which condition is considered 1 significant figure? Which condition is considered 2 significant figure? Okay, if I want to write this number in one significant figure, okay, so we count from the left, start from 4. So only one significant figure, the rest of the number here will turn to 0, and this number whether will remain the same as 4 or will change to add 1 to change to 5 will depend on the second significant figure here. Okay, so 0 is less than 5 means this one will be remain as 4. So we write the answer in one significant is actually we write as 400. Okay, the 0 if it's not significant, after here we don't write out. Okay, we don't write out. So this two number is considered insignificant because the question request is only write in one significant figure. So how about if it requests for two significant figure? If it requests for two significant figure, we will count from 1, 2, these two. Okay, these two. Then we will take this 0 to decide whether the second significant figure will remain the same as 0 or we'll add 1 to it to make it turns to 1. So this digit is 0, which is less than 5, which means that the second 0 will remain the same. So the answer will be the same, is 400. However, this 400 and this one will be a little bit different in significant figure. In the first one, both 0 are considered insignificant. However, in this one, the 0 in the middle is considered significant. However, this 0 is considered insignificant. So, how about if I want to write this in 4 significant figure? So, 4 significant figure, we counted from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 5 here is make the 2 turns to 3. So if this number write in 4 significant figure, it will be 400.3. Okay, let's look at another question. 0.5018. If I want to write this in 2 significant figure, if I want to write this in 2 significant figure, we will take the number here to decide whether the second number here it needs to be add 1 to it or remain the same. So 1 is less than 5, which means that this 2 is remain. The 0 also will be remain. So the answer will be 0.50. From the left to the right, 2 significant figure. How about 1 significant figure? If I want to write this in 1 significant figure, we look at the second number, 0. 0 will be less than 5, which means that the 5 here will remain the same. So 1 significant figure we only write as 0.5. The second 0 we don't write out, because if you write out the second 0 after the decimal point will always be considered as significant. So how about I want to write this in 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures, we look at the fourth number here, 8. So 8 is more than 5, we will add 1 to this. So the number, if I represent in 3 significant figures, it will be 0.502. That's it for today. Thank you. See you in the next video.